All right, we're starting off with 1 bottle of our Alfredo sauce right in our 13 by 9. Now I'm coming in with my fettuccine noodles, and we are just going to place those right there. I have 2 packages of these pre-cooked noodles. So perfect for this recipe. I just found these at Walmart and I knew they were gonna be great for this recipe. Now I'm gonna add a package of frozen broccoli cuts. You can use fresh if that's what you prefer. But I'm just trying to keep this easy and affordable. Ooh, that looks so delicious. Now I'm bringing in my chicken fully cooked, and we are gonna add that right into our pan. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be the best pasta dish you've ever had. So easy, so delicious, just a real crowd pleaser. Okay, let's use this whole thing, because why not? Gotta have that protein in there. Now we have our carbs, our vegetables, and our protein all in one pan. Now I'm gonna come in with my minced garlic, and I'm just gonna use whatever I have left here because I love garlic, and we are just scooping and tossing it where it belongs. It's okay if it comes out in clumps, as long as you get it in our pan. As it cooks, that flavor will disperse and it'll become perfectly seasoned. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. Really wanna get all that garlic out. Perfect. Now, if that wasn't enough garlic, we're gonna add some garlic powder. Season this however you like. I'm just seasoning it with my favorite seasonings. Yummy. And then we're gonna add some black pepper, because you gotta have black pepper in all of your savory dishes. That's the rule in my house. All right, last but not least, some onion powder. Just a quick little season. And then we are almost done. We're gonna come in with 1 more bottle of Alfredo so that this can get really covered in that delicious sauce. Oh yeah. And the best part about those noodles is you don't need any kind of water or anything like that to cook them, because they are already cooked. They just need to be heated up in the oven with all of our goodness. Okay, I think that's spread out beautifully. Yummy. Now I'm coming in with some mozzarella cheese, and we're just gonna do a nice sprinkle on this. Super easy, 1 pan pasta dinner. So quick, so delicious. Now, if you can't find those pre-cooked fettuccine noodles, you can obviously just buy some noodles and cook them yourself, but they do need to be pre-cooked for this dish. Okay, we used that half bag of the pound, so half a pound of mozzarella. We're gonna grab some Parmesan, because Parmesan just goes so good with all Italian dishes. Oh yeah, extra cheese, always. Beautiful. All right, last but not least, just for a little bit of color and flavor, we're gonna add some chopped parsley right on top. And then this is gonna be ready for the oven. Oh my goodness, all these flavors smell delicious. I cannot wait to indulge. Beautiful. Okay, my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna cook for about 30 minutes. Oh my, this looks so good, you guys. Such an easy and delicious dinner. It is time to try it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, pasta is just gonna be so amazing.